I've always been an entrepreneur. I was in the family business from the age of 12, been in many startups, and the opportunity came about of setting up Vapes-bars within Germany. In Germany, to be a business owner, you could be from anywhere, but local banking policy was then geared around, well, actually, you need to have a working permit and a residency permit or a German citizenship. The reality when you're on the ground dealing with officers and nationalised thinking, I guess, were barriers to getting in. So they caused just a major roadblock in our plans to deploy at pace. And then from that, I really then started to look at and seek alternative partners. Silverbird helped in a few ways. First of all, they wanted to do their due diligence, and the people who were actually doing that had an understanding of how markets work. They were able to say, well, actually, yep, we get exactly what you're doing, to understand what you're trying to accomplish, and we're able to partner with you. So they're able to then unlock the ability for the business to actually begin to function. Without banking services, unfortunately, there is no business.